In the previous video, we talked about what web development is and how websites works. But before we start writing any code, we need to install a tool called the code editor. A code editor is a software application that allows us to write and manage programming code like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up one of the most popular code editors used by web developers today. What is a code editor? A code editor is simply a program that helps developers write code in an organized and efficient way. Instead of writing code in basic text editor, a code editor provides helpful features like syntax highlighting, extensions, and file management. These features makes writing code easier and helps developers avoid mistakes. In this course, the code editor we will be using is the Visual Studio Code. To download Visual Studio Code, open your browser and go to the official website. You can go to code.visualstudio.com, visualstudio.com, or you can simply search VS Code, VS Code on Google and open the official website, which is this. Then you can click on the download button for your operating system. If you are using Windows, you click on this. If you are using Mac, you click on this. And then Linux, you click on this. I won't be downloading it because I already have it on my system. After the download finishes, open the installer and follow these installation steps. Once installation is complete, open your Visual Studio Code. When it opens, you will see the main interface. On the left side, you will see different panels such as the Explorer, the Search, the Source Control, the Run and Debug section, and then Extensions. The Explorer is where we will manage our project files. Visual Studio Code also allows us to install extensions. An extension is a small piece of functionality that we can add to the editor to make it more powerful. An extension helps us customize the editor to fit our needs and improve our development workflow. In this course, we will install few helpful extensions to make working with VS Code easier. To install an extension, click on the extension icon on the left sidebar. This will open the extension marketplace where you can search for different tools. The first extension we need is called the Prettier. It's the most popular code formatter out there with over 60 million downloads. Here is how to get it. In the search bar, type Prettier. It should be the first result. Click install. Once it's done, you might see a prompt to reload the VS Code. Go ahead and reload it. Now, every time you save a file, Prettier will automatically format your code. That means consistent spacing, line breaks, just like mine. This way, when you compare your code to mine, any differences you see will be actually mistakes, not formatting issues. We need to tell VS Code to always use Prettier when formatting. Let's do that. Open the setting by clicking on the icon below here and click on settings. On this bar, we type default formatter. In here, we click on the drop down You can see my own is already set. You click on prettier code formatter. Now VS Code knows which tool to use. Next, we want formatting to happen automatically whenever we save a file. In the same setting, search for format on save. We check this box. As you can see, mine is already checked. With this, anytime we save a file, Prettier helps us format it. Let's set up autosave so you don't need to save it manually. In that same setting, search for autosave. When you see it, you will see a drop down. As you can see mine, it's already on focus change. Change it from off to on focus change. With this, VS Code will automatically save your file whenever you click away from it. Now let's give our code some beautiful colors. I personally use a theme called One Moon Kai. It is very readable and works very great. Now let's install it. Go back to your extension panel, which is here, and you now search One Moon Kai. Here, it has over 2.8 million downloads. You click on install. As you can see here, this is how your codes will look, exactly as mine will look. Now let's activate it. You click on this search bar here and you press Ctrl K plus Ctrl T, and then you pick the One Moon Kai extension here to activate it. With this, your code will look exactly as mine. While we are here, I want to mention a couple of other extensions that will make your coding life even easier if you are following my web development course. One of those extensions are the live server. The live server. This extension has over 75 million downloads. You can see it is widely used. This extension also helps to launch your local development server with live reload for your HTML web pages. As you can see, it is widely used from the downloads, so it is very important. One more extension that will make your life a little bit easier and make your work beautiful is the material icon theme. This here. This extension, it gives your file explorer beautiful icons, like beautiful icons, beautiful icons. You can see it here with over 33 million downloads. You already know it's popular and people make use of it. Feel free to install these extensions. They are all free and widely used. And that is it. You now have your Visual Studio Code installed and ready to use. In the next video, we will start writing our very first HTML code and learn the basic structure of a web page. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment.